Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete OneDrive without losing any of your data. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, navigate to your Windows desktop and open your Start menu. You can do this by clicking the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen or simply pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. Once your Start menu has opened, you'll want to type in Apps and Features in the search bar. Go ahead and press Enter, and this will open the Apps and Features window on your screen. This is where Windows displays all the applications currently installed on your Windows 10 device, making it easy to manage or remove programs you no longer need. Now take a look at the right side panel where all your installed apps are listed. To make navigation easier and save time, click on the search bar within this window and type in OneDrive. This will filter the results and show you only the OneDrive-related applications instead of scrolling through your entire list of programs. From the search results that appear, click on Microsoft Onedrive. Once you select it, you'll notice an uninstall button appear below the application name. Click on this uninstall button to begin the uninstallation process and remove OneDrive from your computer. Here's the important part to understand. This process only removes the OneDrive application from your computer itself. Your files remain completely safe and untouched because they're stored in your cloud storage, not locally on your device. This means all your documents, photos, and other files you've synced to OneDrive are still accessible online through your Microsoft account. If you ever need to access your OneDrive files again in the future, you have two simple options. You can either reinstall the OneDrive application on your computer and sign back in with your Microsoft account, or you can head directly to the OneDrive web app by visiting onedrive.live.com in any web browser. Both methods will give you full access to all your stored files without any data loss. And that's it. You've successfully removed OneDrive from your computer while keeping all your important files safe in the cloud. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.